Hello everybody, my name is DeaCun BuBu. I am the most miserablest DeaCun in the whole wide world. And right now, I've got to go and look for wife number 3. She not feeling very well at the moment, so I've got to go and have to look for she. Me not very happy about it. I was just in the middle of playing dominoes, and then I was on my way to the betting shop. After prime meeting, I may have to go and look for she. I'm gonna beat her, me see her, you see? Poor girl. Poor Pitney man, like. Me leave 3 of them at home. Me just hope those social services don't find out. But wait, me getting lost round here. Me don't know where me I go. As long as the police don't catch me. Them don't know me don't have no license and insurance. Me driving for about last 20 years now. Can't better go for me test. I'm driving my car right now, doing about 50 miles an hour on a 30-mile-an-hour road. But the Lord knows anyhow. He knows my heart, even if the policeman don't. Me just hope me don't let down anybody this morning, cause me not in the mood. I got to go and preach to my miserable congregation tomorrow. I just hope them all turn up. And like last week, when I had to do Sunday school, those 3 miserable pitney them, me finish beat one of them anyway. The thing about church is, none of the young people want to come in my yard anymore. Me ask them why you don't want to come to church and sit down and join the ministry and join the choir. Them say to me, which choir? Which choir? Which ministry? Me say the ministry of the Lord. Why you don't want to come and be a part of things? Them say, me was miserable back in the day when them get pregnant and fall in a sin. Me dash them out of the church. And that's why they don't want to be there anymore. I say, well, I can't be responsible for something me did in the past, even though me still doing it deep in my heart. But them said to me, nothing don't change. Well, me getting older, me 50 years older than last time. Me still can't preach good. So what them talking about? Me don't really know what them I talk about. All I know is that I have to go to see my miserable wife right now. I'm not very happy about it. But what can I do, he? Oh, and they hope the police don't catch me this morning. Because the last time I taxed my car is when the car was made. And the last time I had insurance was when Sister Sanchez insured me for boxing on her husband after church one evening. Lord, me look like me lost again. Where me is now? We supposed to go to Luton and me end up in London. These sat-navs, them is not good at all. Them not working properly. No, them need fine-tuning. Oh, sorry. And I have no batteries in it. Imagine me have to switch it on. I was wondering why me never hear it speak to me. Okay, goodbye everybody. Until next time. I hope I don't let down anybody. Goodbye.